What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna go explore Trona Pinnacles, as you guys probably see on the thumbnail. So we've done this trail before, this area actually before, but we've never done it from the south towards the north. So that's today. We're gonna start out with towards the south. We've done from the north, and which is about 2 or 3 miles before you get into the Pinnacles area, but we're gonna start from the south road, and I think it's about 9 miles of sand and dirt trail to get there. So hopefully it'll be somewhat of a cool trail, but yeah, it'll be cool to take you guys along to see this area once again. I want to do drone of that area last time, but it got so windy. But today, same thing. It's so windy out here. I think we got a storm coming in SoCal yesterday, so it brought a lot of the wind. But hopefully we can get the drone up and show you guys that area with the drone footage. All right, let's see how this trail goes. Alright guys, we're about halfway through the trail. It's really easy, just a dirt road. There's a few little rutted, rocky section, but anything with high clearance should be fine. I wouldn't recommend taking your Civic out here, but anything with a little bit of high clearance should be fine. There's a lot of cool campsites around here actually, so I see a bunch of quads and side-by-sides and dirt bike out here, so I'm assuming it's a great area just to check out and then camp. But we're going to continue on. We're halfway there. Alright guys, we got about another mile into the Pinnacles. Super easy trail, but I started the long way. I guess there was a street called Rancho that you can start from there. So that saved you about 5 miles if you guys start from the street, Rancho Street, to go into the Pinnacles. But I thought there wasn't any paved road out here. However, it's kind of fun just to explore this area, see a bunch of campsites along and a bunch of trail that next time if we want to take out some friends, at least we know area that we can go do a little bit exploring. So it's always fun when things like that comes up. You're out here, you like make mistake with routing, and then you find other stuff that you like. So, but yeah, we got about 10 minutes I would say until we actually see the Pinnacle. But super easy, just sandy trail, nothing too complicated. All right, let's continue. Sam. Thank you so much for coming with me. That was fun.
Thank you for the invite.
Yeah, of course. So how you like it?
That was great. It was super random.
Yeah.
That we meet up.
But it's nice to see a different area, right? I'm glad that you haven't seen this one yet.
Right. I like it. This is like the Alabama Hills version too.
Yeah, exactly. I think it'd be cool to meet up a bunch of people just because it's so big, but yeah, definitely it's half a day would be good out here.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, so. All right, so I'll follow you out, and then yeah, once we hit the road, I mean, you want to check out the train track, it's up to you, but
okay.
Yeah,
it's right there too.
Yeah, it's not far, like another 2 miles. You can actually see it right there. Alright guys, so we are finished with our Trona Pinnacle adventure. Thank you so much, Sam, if you're watching this video, for joining me on a late adventure. We didn't plan to do this last minute, but yeah, it's kind of cool just to go back and you know, explore this area. Definitely highly recommend. Any actually two-wheel drive will be fine. A little clearance here and there is needed, a couple of rocky sections, but if you guys take it slow, two-wheel drive stock height should be fine. But it's just pretty. Definitely recommend if you guys get a chance just to stay out there, you know, for a night, just to get some stargazing and enjoy your time there. But definitely one of the area where you see a lot of car commercial go out there. So another area just to explore around this area. All right, I have about 3 hours until home, but yeah, hope you guys like that content. If you guys do like it, please consider subscribing, hit like, comment, and all that stuff. All right, I'll catch you guys on the next adventure.